Previously on Everhood, we entered Lucy's room, where we had to fight a small version of Lucy, which was one of the hardest fights I've ever played. After we finally defeated her, we got a brand new talisman, which was not so good. Then we entered Irvine's pocket dimension, which was a mix of 3D and 4D. After walking into the portal, we ended up inside of a video game console, where we had to fight strange bugs. Then Irvine told us about a god fruit they were looking for, but when we followed them, the game straight up became a horror game. But when Irvine ate the fruit, they became infected by a virus. But to save them, we had to solve this impossible puzzle, which I couldn't do, so I quit the game. What's up, mangoes, and welcome back to Everhood Part 7. I think. Yeah, it's Part 7. So last time we left off in this inside this computer thing, and I was trying not to solve this puzzle. Wait, what? There's numbers now? Wait, does it give you clues? Oh, it's that easy? It's that easy! I spent so much time last time trying to figure this out. Nicely done. Function overridden and activate. Active. Okay. Yes. We can finally leave this place. Let's save your friend. Yeah. Oh no. Help me. More. Make it stop. No. Please, Irvine. I feel so bad for him. The virus has taken control over them completely. Is there anything we can do? We have to weaken their state, and then I can extract the virus. Weaken their state, huh? I think you're the only chance right now. Do we have to fight him? Oh, I accidentally skipped a dialogue. I can't help it. This body is strong, but it can be stronger. Hand over your flesh willingly, and I shall spare you a violent death. What do you mean? We have to fight him? There's no match for my moonblades. Okay, so my friend told me that if you switch to the katana and then switch back to another weapon, it will save your soul power. I may have to try that, but now I need to lock in. Oh shit. I can already tell this won't be easy. No! I'm already dead. Are you kidding with me? Shit, this is really hard. Oh my god, he's vibing though. Come on. That was super effective. Oh my god. What is he doing? I'm trying to do this thing where I switch weapons, but it's not going too well. I do not want to die right now. Okay, this is fairly easy. Super effective. Oh! What is this? Okay, I think I got the hang of this fight though. It's not too hard. No! Yo, okay, I got saved. Oh, I thought my cooldown wasn't done yet. That was lucky. Okay, let's fire off the attack. Yes, okay, we did it. Let's go. Victory! But there's nothing there. How much XP was that? What? Level 8 Irvine defeated? Virus Irvine. Stop. Yes, we got the virus. We have succeeded. It stopped? I thought I really was a goner there. If it wasn't for your friend here, this virus would have consumed you. Wow. Seems like I am indebted to my glowing friend. This virus is far more intricate than I expected. Thank you for the assistance of extracting this little rascal. I hope to see further venture collaborations. Was that his walking sound? What was that? Venture collaborations? What did they mean by that? I am glad you got that thing out of me. I was not in control of that situation at all. My mind kept racing. Am I gonna be in this pain forever now? So when you finally snapped me out of it, I was so grateful. I've never seen Irvine this calm before. I am in your debt for saving me. Wow, this is quite unlike you, Irvine. You're here, Riley? Haha, I feel so embarrassed now. I'm sorry, Irvine. Don't worry about it. I still meant every word. Yo, let's go. Next time I'll try to apply some caution to Lucy's hot tips. See you around, friends. Yo. Crisis averted, I guess. Okay, Irvine is much more kind now. Just need to connect it here and... Yeah, now it works. There's been an eventful couple hours. I've got some research to do on my new toy. Good luck with your future adventures. Yo, we can actually leave this place now? Let's get out of here. We're back here? In the original lobby? Why aren't we back? And this door is open as well. It's at 3000 now. Oh shit. Okay, well let's head back to the new lobby, I guess. But... I'm so confused. Weren't there more inside of his pocket dimension? What? Okay, let's hang out, Kay. I'm so confused right now. Wasn't there more to the pocket dimension? There was more, right? Okay, I'm in here again. Okay, that's good. Because I don't think we did everything. There's that ball again. We just entered this door, right? But there's more to this world. What is this place? These trees are pretty cool. What happens if I go here? Oh, this seems to be a new place. Irvine is there? No! I stepped into the mountain. What did I do? What? What am I fighting? What in the whole world is that? There's balls? What's going on? Yo, that did a lot of damage. Okay, this fight is easy enough, I think. Yeah, okay, we did it. He exploded into balls. What is that, the ball man? Doopy dragon, okay. That's interesting. Here's a ball. What? Manifested evil thought. Look at who we got here. A little light being found themselves stuck in between dimensions. Let's see if you got the stuff. What is this guy? I could maybe get a one hit on this guy. It seems easy enough. It's 30 enough. I'll try this. Is this enough? Yes, it's enough. We got one hit kill, Mr. Evil Thought. No, not Mr. Manifested. Manifested Knotted Thought. Haha, I was just kidding. Okay. There's another dimension here. And here's another ball. Oh my god. Okay, I need to fight the ball again. What just happened? Wait. It changes every time you hit it? I didn't notice because I one-shotted it before. This is really cool. No, what is going on? This is so much harder. No, I need to attack it. Because I can't do anything in this state. I don't know what I'm doing. Yes, okay, we're back. Okay, this guy is annoying if you don't one-hit him. Yes, okay, we got him. This time it was much harder. You're alright, okay. I guess the only thing we can do is... we could enter this door. What is this door? Oh. We're not in 3D anymore. Wait, is this the laboratory? We're back at the laboratory. And now we're back here. Wait, what? Oh, so this is an easy way into the pocket dimension then? Because that door was locked before, right? Okay, well, I don't think we have anything to do in here. I'll just leave, I guess. Okay, so... okay. So the laboratory is connected to the pocket dimension. That's interesting. Okay, let's go to Irvine now. Because he was over here, right? Yeah, okay. Oh, what just happened? Finally you're here! I've been waiting for you, you know? We are just one stop from the pandemonium. The pandomium. Okay. Oh, what are those masks looking out? What is going on? Portal protector? Only the entities pure of color may enter. I thought you made sure this portal worked. Why is Sam spinning? Yes, it works. But now there is a dude in the way, Sam. What is happening to Sam? What is happening to Sam? Great time to start spiraling. Anyway, what kind of bogus reason is this time cop stopping us for? They said something about pure of color. What about Red Mango? What is happening to Sam? You seek to gain enlightenment? I guess. Prepare yourself. Okay. Oh, Sam and Irvine is looking at us when we fight. That's cute. This guy got a lot of health. So every time he hits with his hammer, it like changes. Oh, that was super effective. I really like how they've done this. But this fight is pretty easy though, I'm not real. He's probably finished now. No, okay, he isn't. He's at 400 HP. No, this is pretty hard when it's in that. Or back to normal now, I think. Okay, it's dead now. Nice! What is Sam and Irvine doing? Well done. Yeah, proving yourself. Oh, and he just disappears, okay. Way to go, Dramango. That Cosmic can didn't stand a chance. See you on the other side. Okay, let's do this. What are these masks though? What? Is this a secret area? I just walked into the mask and I... What? Are you supposed to be able to go here? What just happened? What did I do? What? I got an achievement. Venture beyond the bounds of reality? Oh no, what did I just do? What? Do you want to load the latest save? I don't know. Do I? I guess. I'm scared. No. I have to redo everything that I just did. Okay, let's not make the same mistake again. This time we actually enter the portal. Oh my god, where are we? What? We're in some beach? What was that? No. Do not make this into a horror game again. No, I have a health bar. No. Why does my health bar appear like that? It's so creepy. What is this? Wow, this place is a dump. King Lala. Oh, these guys are toasted. I wonder if it is the red mist. We're supposed to meet up with Everhood. They didn't mention anything about a red mist in Death Mountain. You brought us to a place known as Death Mountain? Pandemonium only welcomes the brave and bold, Sam. I guess that checks out. Okay. Bro, what? Okay, let's talk to Sam. This place was not what I expected. Oh, my body's so heavy. Oh, I'm so hungry. There's some apples around. Sick of apples. I want to start the grill, but too lazy. Are these are there something wrong with these apples? I can pick them up. Worst part about places like this, There isn't anything significant to steal. Okay, there's a trapdoor over here. Do not know if I want to go there. What is this? King Baba. Oh, my head feels like a frisbee. Okay. What does everything mean here? Okay, we can go here as well. Okay, so there's 3 places we can go. I'm just gonna try to go here first. Okay, I can't go here. Okay, wow. I assume I can't go here either then. No, okay. Let's go here then. Or should I have tried to give them apples? Wait, the apples are back now. Let's try and give them something. Okay, they don't want apples. Okay. Well then, let's enter here then. I didn't read what it said before because I exited instantly, so wow. I don't know what this place is called. Beware of the curse of Death Mountain. No health regeneration, no death. Defiance reset. Oh, uh-oh. Can I not regenerate health? What does that mean? Chest Mimic tricked you, human. It is feeding time. Does this mean that if I take damage I cannot heal? I don't get it. Let's try and kill this guy then. There was an apple? What does apples do? Okay, well, let's finish this guy off before I die. I saw an apple. Okay, we got 1 hit kill achievement. Arg. I'll eat somewhere else. Okay. There's another apple. Oh, so apples heal you? You disturb me. We're fighting a rock now, are you kidding with me? Oh shit. No, I lost health. Does this mean that I need to eat apples? This rock is pretty cool though. I don't think I've ever had this much soul energy. 4k damage. Okay, nice. Too much trouble. You may pass. Can I talk to him? No. Okay, so I need to find an apple now, I guess, to regenerate. Everin? Wait, this was the person we were supposed to meet. What are you searching for? This is a dangerous place. Who knows how you might get killed, Lightwing? Oh no. Yeah, okay, Riley is saying something. Eat apples to heal yourself? Okay. I should have listened to you more often. Okay, let's eat an apple. Oh my god, are you kidding with me? That was not an apple. It is you who will be eaten. Okay. We're fighting an apple mimic now. We're just fighting a bunch of stuff. We're fighting a chest, an apple, a rock. Oh, there was an apple. No, I picked up a red one. This is pretty interesting though that we can't heal. There was another apple. Okay, well let's finish this guy off. Nice, one hit kill, mimic apple. One day I'll beat you. So we couldn't even eat it? I wanna see if I missed something though. Did I miss anything down here? There's an apple! Okay, it was good that I checked, but did I even heal? I found another rock. Okay, I defeated by another chest. Where am I even going? How big is this place? Oh, I'm back here now, okay. Okay, I think I've explored everything now. Okay, I'll just try to leave. An apple? The apple doesn't even heal. It's such a scam. There's a chest down here though. A power gem! Let's go. Okay, there's a bird here. Oh, I thought it was just going to fly away. Okay, we're fighting off bird now. What is this song? Oh my god. We can't pick up anything. But my health is up to max now. What was that? Wait, are there like only gonna be a few of these and they are really strong or something? Okay, I got one. Oh no, it's one of these that you're supposed to punch. Oh god, that one is hard though. This fight is pretty cool. Okay, that is just too hard. I'm gonna try to kill him with this rainbow bolt. How? What just happened? Are you kidding with me? No, I just took damage. I might be cooked. What? What is wrong with this game? What is wrong with this game? Okay, I couldn't punch it anymore. I couldn't punch it. I'm so tired of this. There's no way I have to redo everything that I did. Sometimes it doesn't just work, so you have to just go away from it. Okay, finally the bird is gone. Finally, and I'm at 1 HP as well. You have bested me, stranger. Finish me so I can enter the paradise. What are you waiting for? I don't think I can finish you, I'm gonna be real. Okay. I did that for 50 XP, wow. What? Ew, I think the water is supposed to be healing here. What? I do not want to walk around with 1 HP. Please, let me leave. Secret Harpy Village? The Tribals of Death Mountain. Harpy Child? When I grow up, I want to be a fighter. I will be the strongest harpy this island ever seen. You'll see. Wait, you can heal in the water. It is a rare sight to see a visitor this far into Death Mountain. I hope my kin has fought bravely against you. Drink and restore your health. This is a sacred space, no blood will be spilled. Okay, I hope I can trust that. There's just a problem, I do not heal from this water. I just don't. It's so amazing. Wow, must be nice to glow in the dark. Yeah, it is. Okay, now do I go left or right? Raven? This just looks like an image, to be honest. Hello, human. I'm sorry for deceiving you. I hope you do not resent me. Do you think I'm evil? I do. But... but I don't want to tell you. I'm relieved. There are still a lot of needs to be understood. I know that Dimitri cannot be trusted. It is clear to me now. They are the one who is controlling the root of all evil. But this is something I have to try to accomplish myself. As long as you will be manifested in this form, our paths will cross. Okay. What does that mean? Okay, I'm back to full health now. Let's just enter this giant skull, I guess. Okay, wow. Is this gonna be a puzzle? Here we have 16 wise scholars. They inspire each other. But the scholars either believe in something or don't believe in anything. If a scholar believes in something, they will point toward someone who doesn't believe in anything. Okay, I think I understand. The scholars who don't believe in anything will point at a random person. Huh? Okay, I don't understand. Mark the scholars that doesn't believe in anything. Oh! If you fail, the scholars will change the topic of conversation. Okay. So... okay. I need to read that again. Okay. They either believe in something or they don't believe in something, okay? If they believe in something, they will point towards someone who doesn't, okay. And if they doesn't, they will point at a random person. Okay, I need to mark the ones that doesn't believe in anything. And the one who doesn't will just point at a random person. Am I just stupid, or is this actually obvious? I'm not sure. These 3 people point at this guy. No, not only these 3, but all of these guys point at this guy. That probably has to mean that this guy believes in something, right? No, that doesn't mean it at all. That probably means that this guy doesn't believe in anything. I'm gonna mark this guy. And this guy doesn't. Okay, wait. I think I got it. Okay. This guy has to believe in something. What do you mean? What do you mean I have to redo everything? Okay, well, I have to start with a guess. Yeah, okay, I have to start with a guess because otherwise it's probably impossible. Okay, so we've guessed that this guy. You're guessing that they don't believe in something. Is any guy pointing at this guy? No, that was a bad person to guess because he is just pointing at some random person. So we do not know. I'm just gonna guess because, okay, we guessed right. That means that all of these three doesn't believe in anything, right? This doesn't. This guy maybe believes in something. We don't know really, right? Oh my god! What is this? None of these are like connected. Okay, like 7 people are pointing to this guy. Which means that he probably doesn't believe in anything. I hate this game. I hate this game. Okay. Let's lock in, guys. Okay, wait, I think I got it. How? Okay, I do not get anything. I got a chest though. No, wait, I was correct. Oh yeah, I was correct. Okay, I got a death coin. Yeah, that's exactly what we need. This is amazing. Nothing happened? Okay. So we're done. All of them are doing thumbs up. Can we leave now? What happens now? Do we just leave? Can we leave? Can we talk to Raven again? It has been too long? What do you mean? Like, where do I go? Do I just go all the way back? I do not want to go all the way back. Do I really have to? Oh, come on. Wait, what is this? Save? It sounded like 2 gates open. How does it sound like 2 gates open? Yeah, okay, it's these 2 gates, okay. Okay, they do not have any new dialogue. That must mean that this gate has also opened, right? It does not, okay, wow. So where do I go now? Do I just continue down here? Why is there like blood on the walls? Another power gem? That's nice. How many do we got? We got 4. I can soon upgrade the moon blades again. What is this? Is that like a face or a foot? Or a hand? I can't tell. What is this? What is this shadow? Zombie Islander? Trespassing? What does this mean? Danger? Time death? Danger? Oh, does that mean that I die if I'm too slow or something? What is this guy? No, I picked up the wrong shit. Okay, well, whatever. And I did it again. Okay, wow. I need to choose one. Did I just die? Because I was too slow. I died because I was too slow, okay. When the green comes, I'll launch my attack. Okay, now I'll launch it. Oh, he died that easy, okay. I didn't think it would be that easy. I got a one-hit machine. Oh, he's not a zombie anymore? King Bogo? What happened? I'm gonna get out of here. Oh, there's more zombie islanders, okay. Okay, can I even escape this guy? Oh, I can just walk by him, okay. Or I cannot, okay. Okay, didn't die this time. Okay, nice. Oh, we're so close to hitting level 9. Pew, what a stinky funk. I'm glad you helped me snap out of it. Okay, no problem. Oh, another guy. And another apple. This one I could actually eat. The bird is back? Die? I thought the birds was nice. Okay, I'm gonna launch my attack. Please, yes, I want it! And the level 9, let's go! Finish me off, stranger. What are you waiting for? Why are they waiting for to be finished off? Maybe they're just trained like that or something. I don't know it now. The door is shut. Like, that's not even funny, bro. I walked all this way for that. Oh no, okay, wait, not. Sam can help us. Phew, what a hurdle. There you are. This is a highly dangerous area here, you know? Those zombie guys you really don't want to mess with. A dead end, huh? Let's see if we can sort it out. Here we go. How was it that easy? There has to be quite a treasure in here. Sam's lucky picking skills always impress me. Me too. Here, take a snack. What was the snack? Oh, he probably healed me or something. How did you get in? King Gordo? Leave at once. This is a dangerous and private area. What's going on in here? Oh, how bothersome. I'll deal with you myself. You really stuck your nose into something you shouldn't, cat. Okay. What? Now stand still so I can lobotomize you? What? No. Oh, you can heal? Nice. This fight is really easy though. I said and lost my 40 plus soul power. This guy has a lot of health. Oh, that was a lot of damage. He's probably dead now. Nice. Oh, that was a lot of XP. Molly? Oh, I haven't felt this good in such a long time. Another slime? Oh, don't you try to run away from me. Show me that I'm not imagining things, Dimitri. No! Don't kill him. What's going on here? What is that? What's that purple goo? You can't hide from me anymore, Dimitri. I'm coming for you. You guys seem busy. Stay, Irvine. Why do they need to stay, cat? Are you gonna stop me from enjoying myself? Oh, not at all. That's more like it. Don't you dare hinder me, and we can remain friendly. Okay. Whoa, my body feels heavy. Phew, all that gear was weighing me down. Please excuse me, visitors. I must reunite with my tribe. Oh, it's back to normal, okay. That Molly sure is quite scary. You must be exhausted after that fight. Here, take a snack. Thanks, I guess. Okay, so there's another slime. I wonder if there's a blue slime too. You have gotten rid of the mist! Hooray! Our tribe leader has something to say. I'm in your debt. I was blinded by a fool being that controlled my body and snapped on my mind. My kin has informed me you are searching for the pandemonium? Yes, we sure are. Enough with these side quests. Through a sacred ritual, we can grant you audience with God. They can tell us where the pandemonium is. The god? God, deity, ritual, or zealous sacrifices? What do we need to do that? I must warn you, visitors. You might be capable fighters, but if you fail, you could fall into a world of darkness. Raven? What is it you want, Raven? Don't worry, I won't interfere. I've done enough deception. You'll need this. Another death coin? Do we have 3 now? It is a payment for the travel. Let me know when you are ready, Red Mango. I'm ready. Are you ready to meet God? No, I don't think I'm ready, actually. Actually, I think it's time to end off this episode. Meeting God, eh? I have my doubts about that. But I have a good feeling about this. I think we can estimate a sort of subconscious encounter. Can't wait to deal with some weird-ass trauma. I won't interfere, but I will help if I can. Okay. Well, I think that's it for today's episode. I guess we're meeting God in the next episode. I don't even know. But, as always, it never ends in Everhood. Bye.